Hi guys, Dr. Rachel Winstead here, naturopathic physician practicing functional integrative medicine in Washington State. Got a new blog up. It's Hormones, Immunity, and Midlife, How to Stay Strong Through Perimenopause. Perimenopause is more than just hot flashes and irregular periods. It's the stretch of time, it can last 5 to 7 years, before your periods completely stop. And frankly, it's a whole body transformation time, and that includes transformation of your immune system. And when estrogen and progesterone start to change, fluctuate, and decline, your immune system really can get out of balance. This means there's more inflammation in your body, you're healing slowly, and frankly, you're getting sick more often. It's achy joints, it's head colds, and other types of infections that are inconvenient. It's developing new allergies, and yes, it is a sign of perimenopause or hormone changes that are coming. The good news is, though, and you can read about this in my blog, the good news is you can take charge of this time in your life. You can eat more colorful whole foods diet, especially leafy greens and berries. You can move your body and get adequate exercise, whether it's gentle exercise like walking, if it's stretching, or a combination of that and lifting weights, something you can do today. And also prioritizing your sleep. Sleep is so critical for every stage of life, but especially during perimenopause. And supporting stress management. Healthy stress management practices are really important for helping address other hormones, which are greatly influenced by that roller coaster of estrogen and progesterone changes. And lastly, as a naturopathic physician, I believe strongly in supporting the gut. There's trillions of bacteria inside of us that have a huge role on our mental health, our physical health, and our hormone health. And supporting a healthy gut is absolutely a priority for perimenopause. Read my blog here, Hormones, Immunity, and Midlife, How to Stay Strong Through Perimenopause. And the link will also be below. And if you feel ready to feel like yourself again, well, if you're noticing those immune shifts, the sleep changes, or hormone symptoms creeping in, let's make a clear plan together. If you're new to the clinic, schedule a free discovery call, or if you're an existing patient, book a hormone health checkup. Look forward to talking with you again soon.